I know you've seen this pepper in the stores and you're wondering, what is this? Is it a red jalapeno? Well, it's not, but it's tasty and it's a Fresno pepper. People usually ferment this pepper to make the sauce, but we are not. We're keeping it easy. Alright, first things first, we're going to remove the tops here out of all the peppers because we're not cooking the tops, obviously. And if you want to deseed the peppers, you can go ahead and do so. One easy way you can do that is you can slice it in half, just like this, and then go ahead and shave the seeds and the vein off of the pepper with your knife. And if you really want to get in there, you can slice it even further, but why remove the hot from hot sauce? But anyways, if you got to do it, this is how you do it. I will begin to remove the tops out of every single pepper here. Once I remove all the tops, I will rough chop the peppers. It doesn't matter here, we're going to simmer the peppers anyways. And this will help them cook a little bit quicker. Now in the middle of this, looking at all the textures, I got inspired to do something like a sambal sauce. If you want something like that, let me know in the comments. The next ingredient is garlic. You could use a whole head. I used about 6 cloves right here. Went ahead and peeled them. I added all of that to a saute pan. Quarter cup of sugar in. Generous pinch of kosher salt in. This is to start. You can adjust later. A little bit under half a cup of water. And for acidity, my favorite, apple cider vinegar. But why, Chivo? Because vinegar forces you to breathe just like capsaicin and allows you to taste the food a little bit better. Now turn on the heat and we're going to bring this to a boil and reduce to a simmer. Not a full rolling boil, but something that kind of looks like this. Once we get to this point, we're going to reduce the heat and it should be bubbling very, very slowly here. And we're going to be checking for doneness, meaning that the garlic has to be soft, the peppers have to be soft. Once you've determined that they are soft, we are going to put this in a blender. Now here the consistency is up to you. You can add more water if you'd like. For me, I think it's fine. And we go to town with this. Now you can go as chunky as you want or as smooth as you want. I like it smooth. Now in order to get it really smooth, this is what we're going to do. I'm using a fine mesh strainer here. Oh my god, look at that color. That is beautiful. Okay, now, so I'm just going to kind of like work the sauce around here and strain all the seeds and that extra pulp that I don't want. But if you want it, you can keep it. This reminds me of those, pictures of those spiders when they're looking at you. If you know, you know. Now who would have thought we skipped fermentation and look at the beautiful texture of this sauce. Nice, thick, and it coats every single part of this spoon. More importantly, it's amazing. It tastes great. Now when you're at the supermarket, don't skip these peppers. Remember this video and make some sauce and let me know in the comments how it turned out.